Hey everybody, it's Steve. I made this video in case when you're working on your Bosch dishwasher you accidentally separate one of the wires. The most likely wire that might come loose is this red one with a white modular clip. If that does happen, go ahead and just plug it back into this spot right here on the back side of your dishwasher panel. The rest of this video will just pan across all the wires so you can see where they plug in, and if one of those should by chance happen to come undone, hopefully you'll be able to see here where it belongs and can plug it back in. So that first pass went from our white clip to the control panel where the on-off switches and so forth are located. Now we'll pan from our white clip down to the bottom where they plug in down there. These shouldn't come loose, but just in case, hopefully this video will help you spot where they need to go.